Kling has been making waves in the world of video generation, promising high-quality videos in minutes at no cost. Over the past month, I've put Kling through rigorous testing, examining every feature and comparing it to other popular video tools on the market. We'll look at how good the videos are, how easy Kling is to use, what it can do, and where it falls short. First, let's look at what Kling offers. At its core, Kling is a video generation tool that uses AI to create videos from text prompts or images. It has two main features: text to video and image to video generation. The text to video feature allows users to input a description, and Kling will generate a video based on that text. For example, typing "a cat playing piano in a sunlit room" should, in theory, produce a short video of exactly that. The image to video feature, on the other hand, takes a still image and brings it to life, adding motion and animation. One of Kling's most popular features is its ability to generate videos in full HD quality. That's 1080p resolution. This is a significant step up from many other free video generators that often produce lower quality outputs. Another standout feature is Kling's claim to generate up to 4 videos simultaneously. This could be a major time saver for content creators who need multiple options or variations of a single concept. But features are one thing, performance is another. So how does Kling actually perform? To evaluate this, I put a series of prompts ranging from simple scenes to more complex fantasy-based scenarios. The results were interesting. For simpler prompts, Kling performed admirably. A prompt for a sunset over a calm ocean produced a visually pleasing video with rich colors and smooth motion. The waves gently lapped at the shore, and the sun's descent was gradual and realistic. However, when it came to more complex prompts, the results were mixed. A prompt for a dragon flying over a medieval castle resulted in a video where the castle was beautifully rendered, but the dragon looked incredibly uncanny. It seems Kling struggles with generating fantastical creatures convincingly. The image to video feature showed promise. Using a still image of a person, Kling was able to add subtle movements like blinking and slight head turns. While not perfect, it's impressive for a free tool. One area where Kling truly shines is its user interface. The platform is intuitive and easy to navigate. The process of generating a video is straightforward. Input your prompt or upload your image, adjust a few settings if desired, and hit generate. Speaking of settings, Kling offers a decent amount of control over the generated videos. Users can adjust things like video length, though it's limited to 5 or 10 seconds, and even the level of creativity the AI uses in interpreting prompts. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Kling does have its limitations. One of the most noticeable is the short duration of the videos it produces. Currently, users are limited to creating videos that are either 5 or 10 seconds long. While this might be sufficient for some use cases, like creating short social media content, it falls short for those needing longer form videos. Another limitation is the occasional inconsistency in quality. While some generated videos look impressively realistic, others can appear distorted or have unnatural movements. This is particularly noticeable in videos featuring human figures, where limb movements can sometimes look awkward or robotic. Now, how does Kling compare to other free video generators on the market? When put side by side with tools like Runway ML's Gen 3 Alpha, Kling holds its own in terms of video quality. The 1080p resolution output is a significant advantage, as many free tools are limited to lower resolutions. However, Runway ML often produces more consistent results across a wider range of prompts. One area where Kling clearly outperforms many of its free competitors is in its user interface. The platform is more intuitive and user-friendly than most, making it accessible even to those new to video generation. However, it's worth noting that while Kling is free to use, it does have usage limits. Users are given a certain number of credits each day, which can be used to generate videos. Once these credits are exhausted, users need to wait for them to replenish the next day. Plus, the free plan is very slow at generating videos. If you need to make a lot of videos quickly, or if you're in a hurry, this slow speed and the daily credit limit could be real problems. In terms of output options, Kling is somewhat limited. The videos can be downloaded, but there aren't built-in sharing options or integrations with social media platforms. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just curious about AI technology, Kling offers a compelling glimpse into the future of video creation. As always, the best way to determine if Kling is right for you is to try it out yourself. Experiment with different prompts, test its capabilities, and see how it fits into your workflow. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of Kling. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.